It usually takes months to build a home, but students at South Africa's University of Johannesburg put together an entire low-cost house in just a few hours with 3D technology.
It's quite surreal. Hey, we've been looking forward to this day for a long time, but I'm glad it's finally coming together and it seems like everything is working well, but it's amazing.
I see a positive future in it because we can't be stagnant. If you look at the automotive industry and the manufacturing industry, they keep evolving and developing their technologies, but the construction industry is lagging behind.
The prototype could be the answer to South Africa's housing crisis. Affordable homes are in short supply, especially in urban areas where people flock for work.
We need to make sure that whatever technology is introduced, it's safe to use it. We will test it for structural strength. We want to determine whether it's strong enough to withstand the wind. We will test it for water penetration in case of rain, how it's going to perform.
3.5 million low-cost homes have been built in the last 30 years, but over 2 million people still remain on state waiting lists, many of whom live in informal dwellings without basic infrastructure or protection from crime and natural elements.
We've got huge, almost endless demand for housing, especially for working class and poor people. So this is really very exciting that this technology now we can be able to build at least the walls, which means then we can actually build houses much faster.
10 digitally printed houses are being piloted in KwaZulu-Natal, a province that was hit by a devastating flood almost a year ago.
If the previous house, let's say, was destroyed because of extreme winds or extreme fires that were spread by the winds or extreme floods, now we say that we can return to the laboratory and upgrade that material, upgrade that design, and therefore build a better product for that community. Hence, the house becomes more resilient to climate change.
The housing crisis stems from South Africa's oppressive history when black people were forced out of cities into townships and other areas. The introduction of new age technology into South Africa's construction mix is part of a 10-year plan to address the backlog and bring the local economy on par with the rest of the world.